This week on the Starving Bachelor, we'll be making chicken paella. The recipe comes from the Cookbook of the Worcester Art Museum, published in 1976, first edition by the Worcester Art Museum. Ingredients: 3 frying chickens, 4 pounds each, cut into pieces. That's a lot of chicken. So what I did is I just picked up 4 pounds of chicken breasts. Butter, 1 onion chopped, 1 clove, garlic minced, 1 green pepper chopped, 1/4 pound of fresh mushrooms sliced, salt and pepper, 2 to 3 pimentos cut into strips. I have in my garden a sweet banana pepper, and I was going to try that. I was going to replace the pimentos with that. 3 cups of chicken stock, 5 ounces of saffron rice, 1 tomato sliced, 1 package 10 ounce of frozen mixed vegetables. I'm using frozen peas and frozen corn because those are my favorite. Toasted silver almonds, which I'm not using, and cooked shrimp, which is optional. Actually, both the almonds and the cooked shrimp are optional. Using an electric skillet or heavy frying pan, brown the chicken in butter. Of course, it doesn't say how much butter. Remove the chicken and set aside. In the same skillet, saute the onion, the garlic, the pepper, and the mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Return the chicken to the skillet and mix with sauteed ingredients. Add pimento and 1 cup of chicken stock. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Add the rest of the stock and simmer for another 10 minutes. Now, in the original recipe, you would add the uncooked saffron rice and the tomato and cover with mixed vegetables. Cook at high temperature for a few minutes, then simmer for 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. At this point, I'm going to put all of the ingredients in a crock pot, and then I'm going to add the uncooked saffron rice, the tomato, and cover with mixed vegetables. And then I'm going to cook on medium for, I'd say 2 hours. In the original recipe, you would add the shrimp for the last 10 minutes of cooking. To serve, arrange on a platter and sprinkle with almonds, if desired. Begin early in the day and prepare through first simmering, set aside and complete later as directed. It's been in the crock pot for about 3 hours. I'm gonna give it a try. Looks good. Ooh, the rice stiffened up real nice. Smells good, looks great. You see this? Excellent. Winner. This is chicken paella. It's by Mrs. Paul S. Schwartz. This is from the Worcester Art Museum Cookbook, which is published by the Worcester Art Museum in 1976.